going on, everybody? It's Trey Neal here, and today's live day trade recap video is a bit of a doozy. You're going to get to see a real world example, finally, of this stop loss really helping us, this new stop loss that we have implemented into our algorithmic strategy. Really helped us out this morning. You're going to get to see that. I think with that, maybe gives away a little bit how the morning went. You get to see me get maybe a little bit too frustrated, more frustrated than I should. It's just been a hellacious week of mornings this week. But I do keep trading in the afternoon, so stick around for the end of the video because I will show you those trades, see if I'm able to bring it back. For now, we're going to jump into the live trades. Hopefully you enjoy those. Hit like! Hit subscribe! Let's go! Wow, what a move. SPY just went from high a day to low a day in 5 minutes. Hello? Anyway, we're about to long it. Oh my gosh. RSI just held above 40. That literally almost wasn't a buy candle. I was joking up here that if it really rolls, we might not get long. The RSI might go under 40. Now, if this bar is red at all, we're out. If this bar is red at all, we're out because we'll be getting stopped out because the RSI is below 40. But we are in first trade of the day. 100 shares, 443.34. Let's see here. Once again, we are currently in 30 seconds getting stopped out of this candle. We'll see. Yeah. Below, it's right at this 40. It's right at this 40 level on the RSI. If it's below that, we do get stopped out. Sell condition is this bar right now. It's about to jump up. Yeah, sell condition's about to start jumping up actually. Okay, we did not get stopped out. It did end green, so that's good. It's kind of nice. It's nice to like know that we have this stop out right below us now. We can only get dumped into so much now. That's a good feeling. It's a good feeling to know you can only get dumped into so much with this new stop loss. It does it breeds even more confidence in the system, right? We're up $20 though, but our sell condition is nowhere close. I mean, we need a big move up for our sell condition. So, oh my gosh, VERU. You guys just saw that happen. I wasn't really looking to live commentate, but that just happened on camera. Wow, this stock is. That is an account blower. That's the sound of thousands of accounts across the world blowing. Hopefully nobody in my community got stuck in that. But this stock, I just said right before I entered this trade to be careful trading this thing. Also not a stop out candle, but close. And now we're breaking down. Wow, though. Up, down, big rip up, huge rip down, down halt. That is disgusting, VERU. Anyway, back to our trade. We're now down, and the RSI is now below 40. So we'll see where this candle closes. You shorted that perk? Oh, you got short up here, Tim Howard? Wow, big congrats to you. That's sick. Congrats. Congrats, man. A bit of indecision here on SPY since we've entered the trade. We're still very close to getting stopped out. The RSI at 40. A massive 10 shares. Wow. You probably don't want to be shorting this with large size because, especially the first perk, it could have ran. LEXX just reopened. Ooh, this is a stop candle. Yep, we're out here. Okay, get out of the trade. We are out here, though, yeah. The RSI closed below 40 on that bar, so we're out. Now we will be re-entering if a bar gets back over 40. It's just a way to like help protect downside, right? The stop losses. I like it because now we're not getting caught in dumps. Not that this is going to continue dumping. It could turn around. But if this is one of those high SPY dump-offs, hard SPY dump-offs, and it affords you at the same time, now that we're not in a trade, if it is one of those big SPY dump-offs, we get to short the bounce faster, right? We don't have to wait till my clock was off there. That was weird. I feel like that bar opened before the clock actually turned. Anyway, we are short at 442.16. Once again, got stopped out. SPY got crushed down after our stop out. I mean, we would have been down from 443.3 to 441.7. What's that, 150, 160 bucks down we would have been? And the system still isn't out. The system that doesn't use stop loss still is not out of this trade. It's looking to get out right now if it breaks the high of this bar. Yep, it's looking at this bar right now to get out. So this stop loss saved us a lot of money. It's awesome. And once again, it now affords us the opportunity to not be stuck holding this loser and miss a short opportunity. That's another big benefit of the stop loss, right? We don't have to miss this short opportunity because we're stuck in this trade. Because the old no stop loss system is not in this trade now because it's still stuck in this trade, right? And that's not saying we're going to make money in this trade. I mean, shoot, I might lose money in this trade too, but it affords us to take that next statistical advantage trade. The algo, or the old algo, will now be exiting this candle. LEX pushing up nicely. Why are you so angry at CRXT? It's chilling. It's doing its thing. We're getting pushed into, unfortunately. Of course. Man, it's like we can't start a morning green this week, can we? We can't buy a green morning this week. I mean, we could still go green in this trade. Anything can happen still, but this week the mornings have been so bad. Luckily, the afternoons have been great in order to bring it back, but can we get like a nice strong morning this week to continue to have then put together a really nice day? That would be great. Mornings have just been so whack this week. Well, it's gonna happen sometimes. Not like worried about it. It's just gonna happen sometimes. We know this. We know this. Cover candle is around here. We're going to be right around this line for a couple minutes. Actually, for a little while, yeah. We're looking at this bar now. The low of this bar is our cover. So for the next four or 5 minutes, actually, we're pretty much right around this line as our cover line. Just leave that there and just see what happens. That's about it at this point. There is no stop loss on the shorts, not yet. I would like to find one. We haven't been able to find an RSI short that works as well, though, like it does for the longs. So there is no upside short that we need to be focused on here. If it rips, it's just going to rip on us if it rips on us. Who was asking me if this was a good spot to short earlier? That's what I meant. Right? Wait for your bounces to short. I waited for a bounce. Unfortunately, it's bouncing a little bit more. But still, you don't want to be shorting the lows, right? You know SPY is going to get some kind of reprieve. Stocks don't go straight up, straight down. Wait for some kind of up wave to short into if you think SPY is going to continue. Come on down, SPY. Can we have a little profitable trade this morning? Just a little one. Not even asking for much. Little $18 winner. You could put us back break even on the day. No. Okay. No. I'm going to be down $50 instead. Okay. Yeah. Good. I'd wait for 444s, 443s for SPY to short. You'd wait for a whole dollar gap to short. What? 444s or 443s? Okay. Well, then wait for that. I'm going to trade my system. Oh, here it comes. Is it going to start now, chat? I'm right in a trade, so now everybody's a better trader than me? Is that what's about to start happening again? Haha, Trey, you shouldn't have shorted there, you dummy. Look, you could have shorted up here. Why would you short there when you could have shorted up there? Duh. Don't you know that I can see the future? And, like, I knew that you should have shorted up there? You dumbass. Oh, no, I'm out of water. Squeezy. Another morning, another $100 down. Let's go. Just get it over with. I could have guessed this was going to happen this morning. Happening every morning this week. Let's just do it. Oh. Shoo. Holy piss, look at GNS. Holy piss. Wow. This thing has been gapping down. Did this yesterday morning, too. Gap down, gap down, gap down. To be fair, into a huge run up. This is a big gap down, though, from 17 to 14 in a gap. That's wild. That is wild. Our cover candle, or cover condition is still down here, by the way. And it's going to be for the next bar, too. After the next bar, we start to jump up here. But for this bar and the next one, we're still looking down here. I tried to get filled. On what? GNS? You tried to long this? Good luck. Seems extremely dangerous. That seems like gambling to me with all the halts. You can't even control your trade. They're halting it. It's being halted and moving 4 points during the halt. You don't even get a chance to like control any kind of edge in that. It just feels like you're buying it and hoping it unhalts the right direction. Here we go. Starting to come back to us a little bit. Whoever said they were short at 443, great call, by the way. If you shorted at 443, great call. It did reject off of that. At least we're getting back over the SMA. I would, well, not right now. I would love for us to not get over the SMA right now, but later, I do enjoy my trading much more when we're over the SMA. It's a lot easier when you only have to long. You take so many fewer trades. Ooh. This is now a cover candle. Wow. Get out. Wow, what a breakdown. Wow, we did end up making money in that trade. Like, we made like $13. We didn't make a lot of money, but wow. Dude, it's like my timings are just slightly off on everything in the mornings this week. It's like it breaks down before I enter, it breaks up before I exit. Like, yeah. Anyway, we're in at 441.26. We are in. Our cover condition is only here. We're not looking. Well, no, it's not even there. It's here. We're not even looking for much of a breakdown here. Okay. Let's go give the Twitch predictors. Ooh, you guys get a great payout too, because most people went above. Because futures were super green this morning, right? So everybody was like, "Oh, SPY's gonna go up." Just like yesterday, futures were super red. Everybody was like, "Oh, SPY's gonna go down." It didn't, did it? And we're getting squeezed. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go punch a hole in a wall real quick. Ah! What the fuck is going on? Baby, do what you do. Tim Howard gifting a sub. Thank you. Ooh, maybe it will actually come down. No, just gonna tease us a little bit more. Yeah, come tease me just a little bit more. Welp, you got caught. Okay, this is now a cover candle. Our cover condition went up there. So now wherever this candle closes, we are out of the trade. Can we get a little breakdown? Can we get a little breakdown here? You just rolled over. Shit. Oh, shit. I'm covering half here. This is a really nice breakdown. I'm covering half here. Wow. See, chat? You bitch and moan and complain, and stocks do what you want. See? Thank you for the gifted sub, by the way. Do remember, don't gift me any more subs. I'm going back live at Power Hour, and your gifted subs will make me drink then. So save your money for Power Hour. Wow, what a move on SPY. You know what I'm taking here? That's a huge move, and there's only 9 seconds left in the candle anyway. That is a huge move. We made money in that trade. What the hell was that candle? Alrighty, so that is the end of the live day trading session. Another rough morning, but actually the best morning we've had this week. We ended that session, ended that first hour of the day, only down $28. Yay. The other days this week, we've been down 200, 130. Yesterday, we were down 250. Every day, luckily in the afternoon, we were able to bring it back. The afternoons have been really good for us. So let's go ahead and bring over the P&L, see how this afternoon went. $38 up. Now, I will tell you, I've been up. I was up over $100. It came down to like 50, and then I got up over 100 again, and now it's down to 38. You will see that in the journal on TraderView in a little bit, but it's been a really roller coaster kind of afternoon, and it's the last trading day of the week. Markets are closed tomorrow. Tomorrow's Good Friday. Keep that in mind. So I am going back live on Twitch here in 30 minutes, actually. So I am going to continue trading the rest of the day. I actually plan on recording the session that I'm about to do live on Twitch and uploading that tomorrow. So you're actually going to get another update video tomorrow, even though markets are closed, about how my afternoon goes this afternoon. So be excited for that. But for now, bring over the TraderView statistics. This actually is now a red week currently. Once again, I am going to trade, and you'll see how that goes. But this is a red week. It's been break-even day. Yesterday we lost 58. Today we made 38. So we're down $20 this week. Not like a big break-even week. It's really just the mornings this week have just been so bad. It's just something. I mean, it's just something we run into. I don't think it has anything to do. I mean, we looked at it yesterday. Over the last 30 days, trading the first hour of the day is still profitable. I think it was up like $600 or something. Is still profitable, but just this week did not go very well, so that is quite annoying. Let me turn this dark mode on so it stops messing with my green screen there. Yeah, just a really, really rough morning of weeks. Look at my win percentage this week, or the last 3 days at least, 47, 50, 47. We do know that the new stop loss strategy lowers the win rate a bit, but still seems a little bit low there. Go over to the detailed. You all can look at these statistics. Let's actually look performance by hour of the day. Can I change this to only show this week? Let's see. Well, does that change all my stats if I just make it this week? Yeah, it does. Look at the performance by hour of the day. Look at this. Performance by hour of day down $292 in the just trading from 9 to 10 p.m. this week. And then obviously the afternoons have done well to bring a lot of that back. But that's a funny little statistic to look at. So will this show my overview from just this week? It will. Break even, small. So we are down $25 on the week. Obviously nothing bad at all there. But if we go ahead and make this the full range since we started trading the system, go ahead and wrap up the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me walking through some of these stop loss strategies. Obviously showing you all my live trades as we continue to do on this channel. Continue to show my real equity curve. Obviously still trending in the right direction. Bit of an annoying week, but they're going to happen. I'd rather have a $25 down week than a real bad week. So weeks like this are going to happen. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button. Why not? It's free. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.